Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can extract emails for your email marketing. So maybe you are into business and you want to get the emails of your customers. You can extract their emails and then shoot a mail to every one of them. So that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. And if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajima Misioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, let's go into the video. But before we do that, kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss whenever I put out new videos. And also make sure not to skip any part of this video, because if you skip, you're going to miss out on every step that I'm going to be showing you. So quickly do all of that: like, subscribe, tap the notification bell. Let's go straight. Let me show you how to extract emails for your email marketing. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using two tools. All right, we're going to use two tools and we're going to just do all of the steps using these two tools. So the first tool we are going to use is Google Chrome. All right, as you know, Google Chrome is used for searching information. All right, so I'm going to be doing this here. So for instance, let's say we want to search for all the emails of doctors in Lagos. We want to search for all the emails of doctors in Lagos. I'm just going to show you step-by-step process. You can use this method to extract up to 1,000 emails. Okay, you can even do this for companies and make money for yourself, extracting emails for them. All right, so you come to the search area here and you type doctors in Lagos. Can you see what I typed? Exactly what I typed. So in your own case, if you're looking for maybe fitness trainers, or you're looking for lawyers, or maybe you're looking for chiropractors, or maybe you're looking for drivers, whatever you're looking for, just come here. Whatever services you're looking for, just come here, type this and add your location and add Gmail, right? And then once you do that, you click on enter. Right, you can also do this on your laptop. I'm doing doctors in Lagos because I live in Lagos, Nigeria. So depending on your country, you can use this method to type this in your search area. So as you can see here, we already have our results here. As you can see on my screen, we already have our results. So we can come here and click on more search results so that it will extend, it will keep giving us more results. But before I do that, if I do that, it's going to be bringing me more results with pictures. Okay, because right now we are in the all section, so it will be bringing pictures, it will bring image, videos, it will bring different things along with it. So me, I want just the words, so I'm going to come here and click on web. All right, so web, can you see it now? It has sieved out the picture. So most of what we see now is just words. Okay, now let's scroll down. So we click on more search results. Click on it, it will open more of it. All right, you can see. So we keep clicking more search results. Can you see? So the more we click it, the more it opens up more results for us. All right, keep clicking until you get to the last page, because you want to get more emails so that you can shoot more emails to more people. All right, so keep clicking more search results. So if I keep clicking and clicking, it will keep opening the result for me, even up to 100 pages. Are you getting now? Depending on how available the information is on the internet. All right, as long as there are doctors who are on the internet, who are on Google, we can get this information. So what we are going to do, just so we do not make this video too long, I'm just going to work with the information we have already. So I'll come here and I want to copy all of these details. So follow me now. We'll copy this. Can you see? Hold for long and it's going to copy. So you click on select all. You can click on select all and click on copy, but I don't want to use that method. All right, I just want to drag, hold and drag and take it down. All right, hold and drag and take it down, hold and drag and take it down. You can do this on your laptop too, okay, but I'm just doing this for those who want to use their smartphone. So you keep holding down and take it, keep dragging, keep dragging, keep dragging, keep dragging until you get to the last page. All right, so I'll just do this now. So you keep dragging, you keep dragging, keep dragging until you get to the last page. All right, so in order not to make this video too long, let's just copy the one we have dragged. But in your own case, you make sure that you copy everything. Okay, I just want to go straight to the point, so we just do this and let the video not be too long. So we click on copy, click on copy. So once you click on copy, we come to another page and then we'll come to the extractor. This extractor is called light14.us. Are you getting it now? Light14.us. You can see it in the search area. So you scroll down here. This is the extractor that will help us to extract our emails. So we come here now. Those words, those content that we copied, we come here and paste it. Are you seeing now? We paste it. So the work of this extractor is to help us to sieve out all the information that are unnecessary and then extract the emails for us. But something before we do that, come here and look at this place that says separator. You can see that the separator is saying comma. So you will change it. Come here, click on it once and change it to new line. So we click on new line. It's now on new line. So once we do this now, we are okay. We just come and click extract. So we click on extract and you can see. So out of all the words that we copied, it has been able to sieve out the jargons and is giving us 5 emails. Now it's giving us 5 emails because we did not copy the entire page. Remember I told you that we just want to copy the one we have. But in your own case, you can make sure you keep clicking more search results, so it can give you all the details and all the pages that are available. You understand? You want to get more emails so that you can have the opportunity to do more outbounding, more of sending of messages. Are you getting now? So far we have 5 emails here. So this is how you can extract. So what you need to do here is just copy the emails, right? Copy the emails and take it to your notepad. All right, copy the emails and take it to your notepad. So you keep repeating this process until you get 100 emails, or you get 200 emails, or you get 500 emails, depending on how many emails you really want. But that is not all. After you're done with this, the next step is to verify these emails. Verification of emails is very important because you don't want to be sending your message to emails that is not functioning. You understand? You want to send your emails to an email that will accept it. You want to send your emails to a mail that will be opened. You don't want your email to land in the spam folder. All right. So that is the importance of verifying these emails that you have extracted. But I will not be doing that in this video. So if you want me to do a video on how to verify these emails, just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. All right, drop a comment for me. Let me know if you're interested in that, and if I get some good number of persons who are interested in that, I'm going to make the next video. All right, so this is where I'm going to stop for extracting of emails. I believe that you got value in this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.